This is the installation video for the BioLite Carbon Campstove 2 bundle. Once you unbox it, everything you see right here is what you get. What we're gonna do is go from the unboxing right to the installation and get it up and running. So the first thing we have to do is we take this canister, we're gonna attach the battery module to it. And you can kind of tell it goes right into it. And this is a very good design, check this out. When you go to the bottom, it's got this little kind of slot where it sits in, and then you have to put the legs out. So go like that, and then this makes it tight, and now the module, it's a great engineering design. Now it's stuck tight. We're going to put the other one like that. So once we get some wood in here, and we'll get the fire starter, which is over here, we'll throw that in, get a flame going. You're going to see everything over here. It's going to tell you how much of the heat, also the fan, and then the battery as well. So this is the first time. So look, we're going to open this up for the first time. And then underneath here is the USB. So we're going to try to charge a phone later on. See if we can do that. Just using twigs and some dried wood with this unit. So it's really cool. We're also going to try to throw this on. This is the portable grill, and I just noticed now, of course, it has some type of legs, so we'll put that, sit it right on top. This is like the lid that it came with, but it also works as a plate. I'm gonna have to learn a little bit more about this. After that, we'll take this off. So the cool thing is you can clean all this after your camping trip. Oh, okay, so to shut these legs, you gotta squeeze it, and then it shuts. And that's nice, that you can put the flame, hide the flame. Also, we got the kettle. So that sits on nicely. And then this would be the top. And then these are the arms to grab it. So this is really, really nice. I love this. You could have a little barbecue in your backyard. In fact, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Even at nighttime, you have this light that you can put on. So let's go ahead and get this up and running. I guess I'm gonna have to run around and find some twigs. I know there's lots of pine cones around, so we'll see if we can get those lit. But I'm really excited about this. So here we go with the installation. Okay, I found some twigs and some pine cones. I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it up. See if this is enough to at least get it started. Then I can add some bigger pieces later. Let's take this fire starter. Okay, I'm gonna light this up. Okay, now we're going to put the portable grill on. And lastly, let's have the light plugged. Now, it looks like it's flashing, but it's actually solid. It's just because of the camera that I'm using is doing that. But that's great for nighttime when you're operating and you don't have much light.